What is up, guys? It's CQB here. I'm obviously more dressed up. These gloves are actually warmer than they look, and I use them for Airsoft. And I'm wearing a hat. Marcus is wearing his Call of Duty M23 hat. There you go. It's cold as hell out here. So if you clicked on this, you obviously saw me unbox that right here. And this is my gun we'll be unboxing. So hopefully you guys enjoy. And here we go. Oh, nice, nice. I like it. So as soon as you open this thing up, we got the straight tape here. So as soon as you open this up, let me open that. You get a fixed hop-up manual. So that's helpful, and it's really windy out here, so I don't want anything to fall. I'm not sure what these are. I think it's so you can try to open this up a little bit. And right out of the box, you'll get, here, hold on. I'm actually going to save this. This looks pretty important. I think it's a return or something like that. Oh, great! Guess what, Marcos? Speed reloader. Something we were going to save money on. So, what it comes with is a speed reloader. The stock, ooh, it's pretty heavy stock. Yeah, it's really good stock. I'm not gonna move this right now. Stock 304. A screwdriver, your sling, and your 8.4 volt battery. Your cool looking battery holder, so you can hold the battery. This comes with a few sample BBs. These are actually pretty heavy BBs. Check this out. And when I was owning it off of Airsoft Station, it did come with a grip. Doesn't look like it wants to come out. Oh, maybe. There we go. I can't really feel it, but I think this is plastic grip for appeal. Now, for the gun itself. Oh, wait. There's a part of the sling you refer to this manual for, but here we are. Bad boy. Alright, so it comes with a fueling rod and your mag. Now, it is very dirty. I'm kind of a little peeved off. Got styrofoam all over it, but there's a mag. Yeah. And then here's your gun. This is the Dboys. It has a select fire for semi and auto and safe. Mag releases buttons right here. I'm not really sure how this thing moves though. Yeah. This one, I think it comes with some rail covers. Obviously the battery right here comes with it. Some adjustable sights right here for long and far. Not really sure how to get the charging handle going. Not sure. We'll kind of figure that out. We'll kind of figure it out later on. I don't want to mess with it so it breaks, but there we go. Ooh, it's a pretty lightweight. So my gun is a little bit what's it called? Has a little more weight than Marcus's. I'll put some aside, Firestone. And here it is with the grip. So it's pretty sick. Actually really sick. Now, the mag that it comes with it doesn't have one of those turn rails for some reason. Like most things, which is actually kind of cool. So here's the gun itself. Make sure you get a good look at it. The Dboys M4A1 CQB. I don't think I said that right. It's an AEG. Oh, it's got an actually really nice feel. Grip is pretty good. Oh, it's pretty good. Side view. I like the stock though. I think the stock is the most heaviest. And we'll have a couple fire shots for it. And Marcus wants to hold it, so I'll let him take over just like for a split second. Just have him hold it off to the side. Ew, jelly. So there's actually no other moving parts out here. Gun is pretty heavy actually. If you hold it like this, I guess that's why it comes with a spring. But it's pretty heavy. Either way, it's so cool. But yeah, and of course it also comes with the charger. So I want to put everything back because, yeah. Actually, I can't get this thing to move. I have no idea how to get it. Okay, hold on. I can get that off. I know how to get that. But there you go. We're gonna load this sucker up, have that charge, and I'll probably do Marcus' other gun. So, comment, like, and subscribe, guys. Hope you enjoyed the gun. I'm gonna have my camera when I go back behind over there. Comment, like, and subscribe if you like the video. And I'll leave Marcus' link to his gun under the below if you want to see it. Well, I'm gonna go charge this bad boy up so we can shoot it. Minute 16 here. Now, we got everything running, we got everything going. Now, a few problems with the D-Boys. We tried getting the, what's it called? These covers, the rail covers to get off so we can put the battery, and you can see the battery is coming through. But we had a hard time, so we actually had to use a knife, and I broke it, but you can readjust it actually because it's a metal rod that you can put back on it. We got it working, just to prove it to you. There you go. So, we got 2 D-Boy mags. Now, if you can see, we're going to shoot down at that box over there. Now, we got these full. Now, we're going to go semi-auto. Let's do this. Boom. Alright, there you go. So, the battery isn't that strong, so be prepared. Oh, double feed. That's a wrap for that one. Now we're gonna go full auto on this one. So they are going down range. It's just we just charged the batteries for like half an hour now. So it's not that long. So they aren't the strongest, but they are going down target, which I'm very surprised. Now here we go. And that's pretty much it. There you go. So comment, like, and subscribe if you like the gun. Comment, like, and subscribe if you like the video. And one thing, this is has a good grip to it, and if you're gonna plan on putting a battery somewhere, don't put it up here because it does actually block your sight. So hope you guys enjoy. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys.